Hello. It's a video.
Ooh, I'm just flying for it. Where'd your tent go? Oh, you better cut the grass. Oh, there's a book in your tent.
Asher, where'd you go? Hi, Kyler. Hi, Kyler. Hi, sweetheart. You're sitting on your auntie's lap. Yes, you are. When you're older, you get to see this video and say, "There's my auntie." What are you doing? Hello. Is that the panda? And there's your daddy learning a song that I'm sure we'll hear plenty of times.
Too many times.
I've already heard it too many times.
I heard it about 30 times today.
Mm-hmm.
Only about 10 times today.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Keep it up, I'll make you right.
Yeah.
Asher, what are you doing? Nice video of you, Sean. Hi, Asher.
Dinner.
There's a thumb. I got a video of a thumb.
Wow.